Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl again, Luminous Skincare. If you're seeing my face for the first time, hi, I'm Luminous, and on this channel we film about skincare, product review, supplement review, with everything skincare. So if this is the kind of content you really want to absorb, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to notify each time once I'm here with a new video. So today I'll be giving you guys a simple recipe that can give you at least 2 shades lighter. You can call this an Egyptian whitening lotion, because we are going to be making use of our Egyptian oil and our Egyptian milk. So the first base cream you will be needing is our Dr. James. Yes, you will be needing 1 cup of your Dr. James cream. Dr. James is something I don't really talk about on this channel, but Dr. James is a natural product that can work with any formulation as long as you're formulating it the right way. Dr. James is a mild base cream to start with. That is for people that do not know how to make a base cream. If you know how to make a base cream and you know how to make it a lightening base cream, then you can make a lightening base cream for yourself to serve as a base in this formulation. But if you don't know how to do that, however, there's a lot of videos on my channel that tells you how to make a base cream yourself. So if you're unable to go through that stress, you just want to make a lotion that is going to serve you, that would lighten your skin naturally. Yes, I said naturally. I didn't say something that will lighten you up in 2 or 3 days. So you need your Dr. James lotion. Yes, that's the first thing you'll be needing. The second thing you'll be needing is your pigmento serum. Yes, the pigmento serum is an underrated product, and I will look for a time to talk about this product. The pigmento serum alone can lighten the knuckles. So that's to tell you how effective this pigmento serum works alone. So you need one bottle of your pigmento serum. You need 100 ml of your Egyptian whitening milk. You need 100 ml of your Egyptian talking oil. Yes, and you need your preservative, 15 ml of your preservative. Some of you might be like, this is just a little thing you're mixing together to get your results. Yes, trust me, with this little thing I just mentioned for you, you are going to get a lovely result from this formulation. And to top it up, you need 3 tablespoons of your propylene glycol. I will advise you as a skincare formulator, when you're making products, always include propylene glycol. It does a lot. Yes, 3 tablespoons of your propylene glycol, or 45 gram of your propylene glycol. All this is what you need. How to mix it: you pour your Dr. James lotion, Dr. James cream, you pour your Dr. James cream into a container. Then you empty a bottle of your pigmento serum into it. You mix very well. You empty your 100 ml of your Egyptian whitening milk into the lotion. You mix together, and you empty your 100 ml of Egyptian talking oil into the lotion as well. And you add your propylene glycol, 45 ml, into it. Then you go in with your preservative, 15 ml, and you mix this very well. I promise you, like I am very serious about this. This is a lotion that works without stress. All you need to do is get a good scrub and a very good soap alongside with this lotion. It works magic. It gives a natural skin tone. Yes, if you're looking to get that 1 to 2 shades, like you want something that will just brightening up your skin, give you at least 2 shade lights with consistency, this is your go-to. It doesn't cost too much, it is easy to make, and you will get your perfect result from it. Yes, so this is how to make your own whitening Egyptian cream at home. If this video was helpful, please take a minute to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell, so whenever I'm here with a new video, you'll be the first to notify. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, see you guys. Bye.